Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are taking up a wonderful topic again. This is about the 18 Parvas or chapters in the celebrated Mahabharata. The Mahakavya Mahabharata, composed by the great sage Vedavyasa, consists of 18 chapters. So thousands and thousands of people already know this. This will benefit who doesn't know. So those all who don't know about the 18 chapters of Mahakavya, Mahabharata, here I am giving the list, the entire list of the Parvas. These are called as Parvas in Mahabharata, Khandas in Ramayana, and Yogas in the Bhagavad Gita likewise. So in the Mahabharata there are 18 chapters which are categorized as different 18 sections called as Parvas. So I will give you the list one by one. So the entire list I will be giving on the YouTube screen. You can just take snapshot and mug up and share my videos so that others also can know this and enjoy. So here I go, 18 chapters or 18 parvas of Mahabharata. So the first one will be Adi Parva, this Sabha Parva. And then the second one will be Sabha Parva, Adi Parva, Sabha Parva, Vana Parva will be the third one, and then the fourth one will be Virat Parva, fifth is Udyoga Parva. Will come again Adi, Sabha, Vana Parva, Aranya Parva, and then Virat Parva, Udyoga Parva. These are the first 5 Parvas. So moving on, the sixth one will be Bhishma Parva. The Yuddha begins. So it will be Bhishma Parva, Drona Parva, Shalya Parva and Karna Parva. These are the 4 warriors who took as commander-in-chief along the side of Kauravas. So in the name of these warriors, it has been designated as different Parvas. So we'll come again, Bhishma Parva, Drona Parva, Shalya Parva, Karna Parva. After this, it will be Sauptika Parva. And then Stri Parva, and then moving on, it will be Shanti Parva, and then Anushasana Parva, Ashwamedika Parva, Ashramavasika Parva, and then Mausara Parva, Mahaprasthanika Parva, and then Swargarohana Parva. These are the 18 Parvas. So I will give you the list again. We will go with the group of 5 numbers. Okay. First will be Adi Parva, Sabha Parva, Vana Parva, Aranya Parva, Virat Parva, and Udyoga Parva. So moving on, Bhishma Parva, Drona Parva, Karna Parva, Shalya Parva, and then Sauptika Parva. So 5 plus 5 we have covered 10. So moving on, Stri Parva, Shanti Parva, Anushasana Parva, Ashwamedika Parva, Ashramavasika Parva. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, we have covered 15. So moving on, Mausala Parva, Mahaprasthanik Parva, and then Swargarohana Parva. So again 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. So this is giving you 18 numbers, 18 Parvas. So this entire list I have given on the YouTube screen. You can collect all the names, take snapshot and mug up, and share my videos to others also, so that those who don't know can know and enjoy. So that is it, my dear friends. In the upcoming video, I will take up the 18 chapters of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762 331 My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.